This is Anders from SensorSix. I just wanted to give you a quick demo for SPM resources of what SensorSix can do for your product development. So first thing is when you've logged in, you'll come to the front screen of the product here. You can select the product that you want to be working on. So I've thought up a demo product called Strider, which is an imaginary app for people who like to walk. So let's see how that will look. Here you can see that it forms a matrix where you have the list of features down here and you have the different criteria here. You can rate it yourself by clicking it like this or this, and the figure down here will update. So it will gradually produce a list of features here, a prioritized list that you can see what makes most sense to build. But the purpose of SensorSix is actually to engage stakeholders in prioritizing your product ideas. So you can use this as a guideline for yourself, or you can start engaging all of your stakeholders. So let's see how that's done in SensorSix. Just click the collaborate button here. Now obviously I've already made a lot of different roles here. For each role it will create a survey that your stakeholders can respond to. So let's see if we have the customer here. I've created a customer survey which is a link, and you can send this link to your customers and it will look like this when they click the link. It will go here, and they can, for each new idea here, they can rate how much they think it will matter for them, and they can also respond by submitting a comment here. Similarly, you can do the same for your developers here. You can ask them another thing like the feasibility. How feasible is this? Is it difficult or not difficult? And they will rate it here. And you can also enrich the features with markups when you get them, or different files, descriptions of the different features. So all of these different input will end up in the same model in SensorSix, where you can aggregate the different information that you get from the stakeholders in the decision. Given these weights and the evaluations we have from all our different stakeholders, we end up with this prioritized list. You can look at it in an XY plot as well, and you can look at, for example, the hour estimate and the total benefit. Now that you know what the decision input is, you can start to plan what you want to build. So in this screen here, you can go and, for example, say you have 300 hours. You can allocate the 300 hours, and if you have 300 hours, ideally you should build these things above the red line. So, but you can see that you also have 44 hours unallocated, so you can select this one here and you're still within the budget. Once this has all been selected, it will end up down here in the available items, and I've already distributed it into different releases. Now here we have 3 different releases, one for each month, and you can move them around like this and switch them around in order to see like where does it make sense to build them. That's all. Thank you from here.